finance different groups. We finance the women, we finance the youths, we finance people with disability. So this fund has been very instrumental in building them up and helping them to access finances to start their businesses and uplift their lives and in the process grow the economy. So our very strategy is to increase our capacity building, increase our sensitization, because the majority of the money that is out there was due to the initial fund beneficiaries. But right now we are doing sensitization programs, we are doing capacity building. People are well informed that this is not a grant, this is a loan, that once we give them out, we are following up on the repayment rate. And we have seen quite a big improvement in terms of our repayment rate than what it was previously. So we are working closely even with the Ngao team to make sure that our beneficiaries, even as they receive the fund, they are repaying. Our interns who've been sent to us from the Public Service Commission, and we are inducting them so that they are here, they are with us to help us and to also give them a hands-on experience in the work environment. That this is a good opportunity for them to get exposure to the work environment and also expose them to the possibilities that are out there.
You have brought a transformation.